So may nakita akong ad sa Facebook feed ko about used Mitsubishi cars for sale. I got really interested kasi the starting price for each model is really attractive. Apparently, Mitsubishi Motors Finance Philippines is selling repossessed 2025 to 2026 year models of Mitsubishi units, and after I downloaded their list of cars for sale from their ad, I went to their Tagaytay Auto Warehouse kasi andun ko makikita ang nagustuhan kong sasakyan from their sales inventory. Kaya ipapasyal ko kayo sa Tagaytay Auto Warehouse where you will find the used Mitsubishi Motors vehicles for sale by Mitsubishi Motors Finance Philippines and used cars from other brands for sale by Security Bank. But before that, may I please ask you to support my channel Zef Stuff by clicking on the like button and as well as the subscribe button. Please feel free to browse the videos on my channel for similar content. Paano pumunta sa Tagaytay Auto Warehouse? For directions, the best talaga is to use Waze or Google Maps by searching for Coffee Homes Subdivision. Tapat lang kasi nito ang warehouse along Mendez Tagaytay Road. Since ang habol ko talaga ay bumili ng murang second-hand Mitsubishi car, focused ako na ipakita sa inyo a sample of the units that Mitsubishi Motors Finance Philippines is selling. Who is Mitsubishi Motors Finance Philippines or MMFP? MMFP is the captive financing arm of Mitsubishi Motors Philippines Corporation, and ang kanilang financing services is exclusively offered by Mitsubishi Motors dealers in the country. They officially started operations last August 2025, so you can just imagine gaano ka-fresh ang mga repossessed units ang binebenta nila. Wala pang 6 months. Pakitaan ko kayo ng ilang used units ng MMFP para magka-idea kayo.
Ang cute naman ng aso, may bitbit na ano.
Lahat ng mga sasakyan na repossessed dito ay binebenta on an as-is where-is basis. What you see at the warehouse is what you get. The bank will not fix any damage in the car if meron man. So I highly recommend that you visit the warehouse to inspect the cars physically before making a purchase. In other words, conduct your own due diligence. There are 7 auto warehouses. Ang nabisita ko pa lang ay itong sa Tagaytay at yung sa Las Piñas, which you may want to watch my vlog about it by clicking on the link above.
So we're selling this for 821,000 by now. For bid price, it's 656,000. It doesn't have a plate number. The plate number is still with the Union Motor Corporation.
Oh.
It's still with them. Yeah.
Kakagusto man siya sa motor
So basically, whatever is there, they just pulled it out.
Yeah.
Kasi nga po, ayun, ang sabi ko rin po rito na baka masyado.
Ano pinakamarami sa MMFP? Mirage at saka L300? Same lang. Maraming expander, Montero Sport.
Nalagyan sa kento sa kabila, gano'ng karami dito.
Mas maraming expander dun eh. Okay na siya, pahawak na ito. Para makapasok ako sa loob. Ay, hindi na. Bukas naman yan, di ba? I-check ko na yung ano. Loob. Ay, sarado. The cars here are still in good condition. They just need to be cleaned up. Kailangan ko ng pictures eh. Kasi tulungan namin sila sa pagbenta. Eh, magaganda pa yung mga units namin eh. May mga tumingin na dito. Kasi for bidding.
Lahat ng mga sasakyan na repossessed dito ay binebenta on an as-is where-is basis. What you see at the warehouse is what you get. The bank will not fix any damage in the car if meron man. So I highly recommend that you visit the warehouse to inspect the cars physically before making a purchase. In other words, conduct your own due diligence. There are 7 auto warehouses. Ang nabisita ko pa lang ay itong sa Tagaytay at yung sa Las Piñas, which you may want to watch my vlog about it by clicking on the link above. The advantage or kagandahan ng pag-inspect ng sasakyan sa warehouse, aside from the obvious reason na gusto mong manigurado sa kondisyon ng unit, ay you'll have more options to choose from. If di mo bet ang mga pre-owned Mitsubishi cars na binibenta ng Mitsubishi Motors Finance Philippines, you may choose other cars being sold here by Security Bank Corporation at the very same warehouse. O diba? Double whammy?
Because I don't have good photos of Expander and Montero Sport.
But let it be known that hindi lahat ng sasakyan dito sa warehouse are for sale. I believe more than half of the cars here still don't have prices. A lot are still being appraised, while many are still within the redemption period. So it's very important talaga that you have a copy of the cars for sale first. Tandaan, may buy now price and bid price. Maaaring mas mura mong makukuha ang sasakyan pero hindi mo tiyak if sa iyo mapupunta ito dahil need mo munang manalo sa bidding. Pag bibilhin mo ang sasakyan via buy now, need mo itong bayaran ng cash in full. Pag nanalo ka naman sa bidding, you can pay either in cash or financing. Pero ang down payment should not be lower than 30%. So, paano or saan makikita ang full list of MMFP used cars for sale? Go to www.mmfp.ph, then go to News tab and select Promos. Or you may email me at cefstuff@proton.me, and I will reply to your email with the latest list of cars for sale. Remember, every week nagbabago ang listahan, kaya malaki ang possibility na itong mga sasakyan na nakikita mo ngayon sa video na ito ay wala na or nabenta na. Kaya better check the latest list of cars for sale sa website. I hope you find this video useful, lalo na sa mga viewers natin na may balak kumuha ng quality used cars. And if decided kayo bumili ng pre-owned cars sa MMFP or Security Bank, please tell them that you learned about their cars for sale through this YouTube channel, Cef Stuff. Again, I can help you with providing you the latest list of their used cars for sale. Basta mag-email lang kayo sa akin. My email address is cefstuff@proton.me. Please also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet. Until next time, thank you for watching. Ciao!